Simon. Hey, you hold it? Yeah. Hold it. Come here. Want pizza? Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. You're a maniac for pizza. You also make a big mess. Hey, Simon. Is that good? You are ripping through this. Simon's only 3 months old, actually 3 months tomorrow. You'd think I didn't feed him like for 3 days, but he's been eating pretty much like a vulture. Whoever made up the term eats like a bird didn't own a bird. Ah, that's finger. Oh, good boy. Want that piece? Look at you. You're covered in sauce. Oh, do you like that? Can I have some? Can I have some? Oh, here, hold it. Hold it. Can you hold it? Hold it. Whoa. Whoa. Hello. Step up. Simon, step up. Simon. Okay. See you, Simon. Yeah, wipe your mouth on the floor. That's perfect. Bye.